boat though?
Huh?
I see a boat.
You don't see the boat? Yeah, they went to the other side of the lake. There's a goose out there. See it? It is so cold. So I would be freezing.
Not that bad.
What you got, Boogie?
Stick.
You got a stick? Careful, don't throw it, okay? Look, I see an acorn. Look, acorn. Nope, don't throw it. Look at the acorn. Marcus, don't throw it, please. You'll hurt somebody. Get the acorn.